How to make table mat. This video is brought to you by Creative Lab. Website creativelab.wetpaint.com.
Hello viewers, today I'm going to show you how to fold this paper mat. Once you learn the technique, you can make it any size you want. This is the sample size I'll be showing today. So let me show you how to do it.
Take a sheet of paper that is 10 cm wide. Okay, now I'm going to mark every 1.3 centimeters. Okay, so I'm going to do the same thing on the other side. Now I'm going to join those markings so that I get rectangles that measure 10 cm by 1.3 cm. I'm doing it with pen in order to show you clearly, but while you are trying this out, please use a pencil so that your marks are not visible. Now we have the paper ready with the lines. Just fold this into half and make a crease line. Okay, now turn it over and fold it the other side. Okay, now bring the sides to this center crease line. Okay, so just make crease lines. Alright, now open it up. Now we are going to cut them on the lines we have drawn earlier so that we'll get thin strips. For trying a sample, you'll just need 4 of them, but if you want to make a mat, then you will need lots like this. Okay, so first you'll need 4. To show you clearly how to knot, I'm going to make it in 4 different color paper. Fold one end of the first strip, fold the end of the second strip over the first fold, thereby covering the loose end of the first fold. Same way the third one. Okay, can you see that clearly? Okay, now take the fourth one, insert it between the first fold and turn over and slit it inside backwards and pull it so that you will have a small square there and with 4 tails. So just pull those tails to tighten the square. So this is a basic knot we'll be doing. Now I'm going to show you on the same colored paper. So first take the first one, fold it, and then the second one on the end of the first. Same way the third one on the end of the second. Now the fourth one, insert it through the gap of the first fold. You see the gap clearly as I push the first fold slightly. At the same time, make sure you are covering the third fold. Okay, and the rest, the 3/4 of the strip on the back side, just slit it through the first loop and pull it so that you make a knot. So pull all the ends so that the knot becomes tight. Alright, this is the basic knot we'll be doing. Now we'll take 3 more and make the second one. Okay, so close the one of the ends, take the second one and keep it on the tail ending side like this. Take the third one and close the second end Okay, now the fourth one, insert it through the slot created by the first strip. Okay, then turn it over and insert the rest of the strip. Slowly, so that you don't tear off the paper. Okay, so now slowly tighten the ends. Okay, so now we have 2. Now the same way we'll make the third knot. Turn it over and insert. The only tricky part is the fourth strip that we'll be inserting through the slot. The rest is all simple. So once you have learned how to do that, then everything is simple. Okay, now we have 3 of them. So for the fourth one, we already have 2 of them from the already made checkers. So we'll take only 2 more strips now. So first we took 4 strips. For the second check we took only 3. Third also we took 3. Now for the fourth one we'll only take 2 extra rectangle strips. Okay. Steps are all the same. Only thing is you will need a little practice. So now you will have 4 checks. Alright, with a small diamond in the middle. Right, keep doing it more and more, as big as you want. Once you're happy with your size, then you can cut the ends. Since you have knotted, it's not going to come off. Just cut the tail ends on all the 4 sides. I've made it as a square. If you like rectangle, you can go ahead and do rectangle shape as well. I hope you enjoyed this video. Here is the final product. Thanks for watching. Please visit my website creativelab.petpaint.com.